In this video, I'm going to show you a really powerful tool for SEO with ChatGPT, and this is a Chrome extension that is really good, and it can do a lot of different things. So let's just check it out, and before we get into this, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe. But now let's get right into this. Okay, first things first, what we want to do is we want to head over to the Google Chrome store. So Web Store Chrome, and then just click on that for extensions, and then we can go ahead and search for something called AIPRM for ChatGPT for SEO. So just search that, and then we'll click on this first one, AIPRM for ChatGPT. So let's just click on that, and then click on add to Chrome, and we can add this extension. So now we have added this extension, and we can go ahead and confirm it. So now this is really great. We have a great tool in here that will give us some prompts for this ChatGPT. So you can, for example, go on human written, plagiarism free, SEO optimized content, and then try this out. And here we have write best article, we rank #1 on Google, keyword strategy, full SEO optimized, outrank article. This is really helpful because you can put in your competitor's URL, and then it will create an article that's better for SEO. So a lot of different tools in here. Let's just say plagiarism-free SEO optimized content for your blog. And the blog title here, so I'm going to say blog AI revolutionizing the world. That's a blog title, and then we can just click on enter, and it will create a nice blog for us. So it's going to write a complete blog with SEO optimized, and this is really great. So I will just let it write out. It will take some time, but then we'll see if we can do another one. So as you guys can see, it has now created a really good article for us to use that is going to be SEO based. So there are a lot of keywords in here, which is really good for ranking on Google. So that is really great. Now we can do a new chat and try out something else. So let's just, for example, try out keyword strategy, and then we can have our own keyword in here. So we can ask ourselves what business we are going to use. So we are going to say YouTube channel about animals, and then we'll just click enter, and it will create a keyword cluster. So this is great. Wild animals, and it's coming up with all these different things, keywords, and then a title, and then a meta description, and what type of keyword it is. So this is creating a great list of things. So I've just stopped it right now, but as you guys can see, this is great for finding good keywords, animal emotions, animal instincts, animal communication, a lot of different keywords with a description and a title. So this tool is safe to say really strong for SEO in different ways, for writing articles, for getting keywords, and a lot of other things. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely make sure to leave a like and to subscribe. And without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.